decided today to put together another simple calorimeter. There's a couple of circuits floating around out there in the internet world that I decided I might test on something that every user could build and hopefully replicate those tests and see the results. Here I've got a cork board. I've taken some styrofoam, which is backed with a thick paper. I've made myself two chambers. All seals within the chambers are done with a silicone-based sealant. On the top I have two additional pieces of foam, and the only reason for that is I'm going to put down through the top a very stiff piece of tubing so the holes can't get elongated. And now I'm going to try using these thermometers we use in the lab, which are NIST calibrated. If they don't work because they're digital, then I'll go ahead and go to a glass thermometer. So that's why I wanted this double layer up here, so it will offer support for a glass thermometer if I have to use it. As far as the front goes, I haven't really determined yet how I'm going to do it. I use this insulating cloth many times. It'd be very easy to just put this cloth up in front of the door like this and put a big rubber band around it and seal it, and I think that would be adequate, but I may end up adding some foam also. I'll put a connector here and a connector here. We'll only need power connection going in here since we're going to be measuring temperature through the top. We don't need any stirrers in there because what we're going to do is put a resistor in this side, which is going to be in the same area that the load or the dissipating load would be on this side, and we're going to adjust the power so that the temperature in the calibrated side, where we're measuring input current and voltage, comes out the same as the circuit under test. How this would work is, here for example is a Sec 18, we'd set that in there, it would have a load attached to it and its L3 coil. We'd set another one in here with an L3 coil, but it would not be powered up. We want that so that both chambers are identical as far as component count, so that we should come out without having to fool with much of a calibration scheme at all. And so I'll go ahead and get the front done and mount in some terminal strips over here and determine what I'm going to do with the thermometers, and then I'll take and cut another short video on it.